Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CNC plasma tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Prime Weld Plasma Cutting Table. This sturdy carbon steel table is a solid option for plasma cutting and welding projects, offering a robust 250-pound load capacity. The standout feature here is its 23 replaceable slats, ensuring your table stays functional for years to come. Measuring 32 inches high, 21 inches wide, and 30 inches long, this table provides a comfortable working height while allowing sparks and debris to fall safely into the slag catch tray below, keeping your workspace clean and safe. The design is practical and well-suited for industrial and heavy-duty applications. The heavy-duty carbon steel frame ensures long-term durability, and the painted finish adds a layer of protection against wear and tear. While it delivers excellent reliability and performance, it does weigh in at 70 pounds, which might make portability a bit challenging without additional help. However, its sturdy build ensures that it remains stable during operation, even under heavy loads. This table is ideal for professionals or hobbyists who need a reliable solution for plasma cutting or welding. While it lacks the more advanced features of higher-ranked tables, its simplicity and durability make it a solid entry-level choice. The Prime Weld Plasma Cutting Table combines value and functionality, but its lack of readily available pricing and smaller customer base compared to competitors might leave some buyers looking elsewhere. At number 4, we have the Quaint 32 inches height, 21 inches width, and 30 inches length plasma cutting table. This table stands out for its robust carbon steel construction and a 250-pound load capacity, making it a reliable option for both plasma cutting and welding. Like the Prime Weld model, it features 23 replaceable slats, ensuring longevity and adaptability for various tasks. The dimensions are identical to the Prime Weld, offering an ergonomic working height and ample space for most cutting projects. The Quaint Fab table shines in its lightweight design, coming in at just 47.4 pounds, making it more manageable to move around the workshop. The painted finish adds a polished, professional look while protecting against rust and wear. The slag catch tray is another thoughtful feature, maintaining a clean and safe workspace by catching debris and sparks. However, some assembly is required, which could be a minor inconvenience for users looking for a plug-and-play solution. This table offers great value for its price point of $189.99, undercutting some of its competitors while delivering similar functionality. It's best suited for DIY enthusiasts and small workshops looking for a dependable plasma cutting table without breaking the bank. However, its lower customer review count compared to other models might leave some buyers hesitant about its long-term reliability. Overall, the Quaint Fab table strikes a good balance between quality and affordability. Taking the number 3 spot is the budget-friendly Mitsu 4060 aluminum and MDF hybrid spoilboard table. Priced at just $151.99, this table is an excellent option for those looking to expand the workspace of their Mitsu 4040 Pro or 4040 Pro Max CNC router. With dimensions of 420 by 800 by 20.5 millimeters, it offers a larger working area while maintaining a compact and lightweight design. One of the standout features of this table is its hybrid construction. The combination of aluminum and MDF ensures excellent load-bearing capacity while preventing deformation during heavy-duty milling. Additionally, the replaceable MDF slats provide a cost-effective maintenance solution, extending the table's lifespan while keeping long-term expenses low. The slot design enhances material fixation, ensuring stability and precision during CNC operations. This spoilboard table is ideal for hobbyists or small businesses looking for an affordable yet versatile solution. While it lacks the premium build quality and advanced features of higher-end models, Its adaptability and cost efficiency make it an excellent entry-level choice. However, keep in mind that to fully utilize its expanded workspace, you'll need to purchase an additional aluminum Y-axis extension profile kit, which adds to the overall cost. At number 2, we have the Mitsu 3018 Prover V2 CNC milling machine. Priced at $269, this desktop CNC machine is a fantastic option for beginners looking to explore the world of CNC machining. With a working area of 284 by 180 by 40 millimeters, it's compact enough to fit on a desktop while offering enough space for small to medium-sized projects. The 3018 Prover V2 comes semi-pre-assembled, reducing setup time to just 35 minutes. It features a machined aluminum spoil board and upgraded Z-axis carriage for improved engraving accuracy. The inclusion of limit switches and an emergency stop button adds an extra layer of safety, making this machine user-friendly for beginners. Additionally, it's compatible with popular CAD/CAM software like Carvico and Fusion 360, giving users plenty of creative flexibility. This CNC milling machine is perfect for hobbyists and small business owners who need a reliable and versatile tool for engraving, milling, and cutting. Its robust feature set and ease of use make it a great value for its price, although its smaller work area may limit its appeal for more advanced users or larger projects. Overall, the 3018 Prover V2 is a well-rounded option for those just starting out. Finally, at number 1, we have the Mitsu 24x24 XY axis extension kit for the Prover XL 4030 V1. This premium option, priced at $314.10, is designed to upgrade your CNC machine, expanding its workspace to an impressive 600 x 600 millimeters. This extension kit is a must-have for anyone looking to take their CNC projects to the next level. The kit features pre-installed axis carriages, making assembly straightforward and hassle-free. Its robust aluminum construction ensures durability and stability, even during heavy-duty operations. The flexibility to extend to various configurations like 60/60, 60/40, or 60/30 adds incredible versatility, accommodating a wide range of project requirements. Additionally, the cost-effective design allows users to upgrade their existing machines without investing in a completely new setup. This extension kit is a game-changer for professionals and serious hobbyists who need a larger workspace without compromising on precision or build quality. While it's on the pricier side, the value it offers in terms of flexibility, durability, and ease of use makes it a worthwhile investment. If you're ready to level up your CNC capabilities, this is the product to go for. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.